Good morning, students. In last video, we learned about the IMG tag. Today in this video, we learn about the how to create hyperlink in a web page. Hyperlink means link between the document. Hyperlink means link between the document which help the users to navigate from one page to another one page to another web page without entering the address of the web page, without entering the URL means uniform resource locator of the web page. The link always available on a web page can connect different section of the same page, connect different section of the same page, or you can connect to documents, or you can connect to web pages, to connect to website, to connect to an images, to connect to a document, to connect a program, or to connect to videos, or to connect audio clip also. So when you want to create the link of the any image, audio, video, document, program, then you can use the hyperlink. And hyperlink, when you want to create the hyperlink, the name of the tag is a tag. The name of the tag is a tag. So let's do the practical. Write down first HTML head title. Here we write down the title of the document, hyperlink, and then you can close the title tag here. After that you can start the body tag here, and we add one heading here, and my name of the heading is creating hyperlink. Okay, after that h1 tag close, heading close. Now let's start. Write down the a is the name of the tag to create a hyperlink. This a is the name of the tag of to create the hyperlink. Only a stands, only a. The A stands for anchor, ANCHOR. The name of the A is anchor tag. So when you create a hyperlink, you need any two document, two web pages, or a different section of the same page also. So here we create the link between the two web pages. Already we have created the 10th class.html file. So today we create the 10th alpha. For example, today we create 10th alpha web page. So you can write down here A space href. Href stands for hyperreference. Hyperreference means reference or location or path of the document where you want to create the hyperlink. For example, I want to create the hyperlink with 10th.html. So here we write down a space href is equal to inverted comma start, and write down 10th class dot html. Extension name is required with the file name, and after that angular bracket close. Here you can write down the text. You can write down next, back, go to 10th class file, any text that you want, or you can also insert here any image, because link can be created with the text or image present on the web page. Okay, so here we can write down the next is the text hypertext. This is called hypertext. After that you can close the a tag. We only close the a tag, don't close the href, because href is the attribute of a tag and the name of the tag is a only. After that you can close the body tag here, and after body you can close the head, and then you can close the html here, and then you can save this file. And now I am saving this file with 10th alpha.html. Okay, so now you can open in your browser. You can open your file, and the name of the file is 10th alpha.html. Okay, so here you can see the hyperlink. This is the hyperlink. this next. When you click on this next, the link document will be opened here, and the link document is this one, and this is the name of the document is 10th alpha.html. For example, now we want, when we visited in this file 10th alpha file, we want to back in your 10th alpha, then now you can open in notepad 10th class file. First you can open 10th class.html file first here, and now you can create hyperlink here. So you can create hyperlink here, and hyperlink you can give spaces here only. So you can write down in here angular bracket a space href is equal to, now you can write down the name of the file here, and the name of the file is 10th alpha dot html inverted comma close, and then write down the hypertext, and the name hypertext is our back back. This is your hyper location of the document 10th alpha.html, and this back is your hypertext. href is the attribute of the a tag, and a tag is used to create the hyperlink, and the full form is anchor. Okay, after that you can close the a tag here, so our link is created. Now you can save it, and already our file opened here 10th class. So now you can refresh here, you can see here at back back, you can see in the last line here we give one space here, so you can see clearly this. We can given two space rather than here. Okay, and again you can save this file, again you can refresh here in web browser. Now you can see this back, this back is your hyperlink, and now we create the hyperlink with 10th alpha. When you, for example, two sections are there, 10th alpha and 10th bravo. If 10th alpha file is created and you want to create the link with the 10th bravo, then you 10th alpha give the reference of the 10th bravo.html. But if 10th bravo file is created and we want to give the reference of the 10th alpha, then you can give write down here 10th alpha.html, and this back, this is the link. These are the attributes of your these colors will be changed. Now you can see here the link is active link is here is your back. Okay, blue, your color name is blue, and if you want to change this color you can change it. So if you want to change the color of the hyperlink of this back, the seen here, when you click on the back, now this color is blue, the by default link color is blue. But if you want to change this color you can change it, we can change later. When you click on back, now file is there, so again you can open your file here. For example, I open here 10th.html, and we can save here and open our file again. Control O, and then write down the name of the file, and then you can open. Now you can see here the color of this next is purple color. So active, when you don't click on this link, then the by default color is blue. But when you clicked, so now the name of the link is visited link, V link. The color is purple. But when you click on this, so you can see here the color is red, and so the active link is red. So here we learn about the three attribute of body tag. These are the attribute of, you can write here so you can understand easily. Link, link, and second is v link, and third one is your a link. These are the four attribute of your body tag. These all three are the attribute of body tag, but work with the A tag. Clear everyone? You can see the result of these attributes in with A tag, but these are the attribute of body tag. How you can create this? For example, we want uh, visited link is not in purple, we want visited link in red color, for example. So you can write down here in body, you can write down in body, and here is our body, and you can write here body space v link is equal to, we want to visited link in red, and by default visited link is purple, so we can write down here red. So you can save this file, and after that again you can open your file here, and I will open my file. Name of the file is 10th.html. Opened it, and here, okay. So now you can see here, now our link is in red color, and this is our visited link, this is our visited link. When you single click on, then your link will be converted in visited link, and when you click on this link, this means active link, this is always in red color, and you want this color in, for example, green. So you can change here active link, a link, active link, and we want this active link in green, so you can write down green here. Don't forget here, these are the attribute of body tag, but work with the A tag, anchor tag. You can see the result of these in anchor tag, but you can write these links with body tag. Okay, so you can again open here, and you can refresh, and now when you can click on it, you can see when you click mouse, and then your color will be changed in green. Okay, so this is your hyperlink, A tag, and three attributes are there: link, V link, A link. These are the attribute of your body tag. But here we can only discuss href, one attribute of your A tag. Now hyperlink, when you create an hyperlink have two types. Hyperlink types of hyperlink is two type. One is your external links, and second one is your internal links. Okay, so two types of links are there: external links and internal link. What do you mean by the external link? External link is the one when one web page to another web page to stored at different location, to store at different location. These are also used to link the document or email address, or clicking these types of link, the connected resources open either in the same or in different window to show the content of the link resources. If you want to link between the different web pages, if you want to link between the different documents, if you want to link with another email, then you can use the external linking. But internal linking is used to move from one part or section of the web page to another part or section of the same web page. If you want to link within the page, between the same page and the different part or different section of the same web page, then you can use the internal linking. So the internal linking is quite useful for navigating among the different sections of the web page quickly and easily. So first we can learn about the external linking.